Welcome again. Now we'll move to the part 2 of this chapter 5 on arithmetic progression. Continuing from the last part, here we have the number 5. Find the term indicated in each case. With the first one, given Tn is equal 4n plus n square minus n plus 1, and here we have to find the value of T3. Okay, given Tn is equal n square 4 power n plus n square minus n plus 1. Now we have to find T3. That means we'll put n is equal to 3 in this given rule, for the term, the nth term. Okay, now if we put n equal 3, T3 will be 4 power 3 plus 3 to power 2 minus n is 3, we are putting 3 plus 1. Okay, 4 power 3 is how much? 4 power 3 means you multiply 4 3 times. 4 16, 16 multiply 4 is 64. 3 square is 9 minus 3 plus 1. Now plus is 9 is plus, 64 plus and 1 plus. Adding 64 plus 9, 73. 73 plus 1 is 74. Minus by 3, you will get 71. Therefore T3 is, the term 3 is 71. Okay, number 2. The the n term of this sequence, the n term hn given by, denoted by hn, is n square minus 3n plus 4. What we have to find? We have to find h10. That means the 10 term. Okay, now solution. Given hn is this this sequence, the nth term of the sequence is given by this formula, and not formula, is given by this rule. Now for h10, we'll just have to put w of n by 10. Okay, putting w of n by 10, we'll have, instead of here hn, n will be 10, n square will be 10 square minus 3 multiply n, that's 3 multiply 10 plus 4. 10 square is how much? 10 100. 3 multiply 10, 30 plus 4. Then 100 plus 4 minus 30 will give us 74. The 10th term of this sequence is 74. Number 3, the n term of this sequence is given by n square by 2 to power n, and what we have to find? We have to find the power, the 7th term. Now this is the given term, and the given the nth term. Now putting n equals 7 in this given given sequence, we have a7 equal n square. That means 7 square, 2 power n, is 2 power n is 7, we are putting 7. Now 7 square is 7 plus 49. 2 power 7 is, you have to multiply 2 7 times, which will give us 128. Okay, you have to multiply 7 times to 2, will give us 128. Therefore this 7th term of this given sequence is 49 by 128. Now number 4, sequence is given by this expression. The nth term is minus 1 power n minus 1 n power cubed, and you have to find a to power, you have to find out the 9th term. Okay, now To find the ninth term, you just have to put n equal 9 in the given sequence. A9 will be minus 1 to power n minus 1, 9 minus 1, n cubed, that is 9 cubed. Now 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, minus 1 to power 8, 9 cubed is 9 multiply 9, 81, 81 multiply 9 is 729. Now minus to power cubed or power minus 1 to power 8. Okay, now if you multiply minus is plus, mean if the power is even, minus 1 to the power of even will be plus, minus 1 to the power of odd will be minus. Here the power of minus 1 is 8. That means you will get plus, because minus minus plus, again plus with minus is minus, again minus with plus is minus, again minus with minus plus, and so on. If you go on multiplying, you will get plus only, because depending upon how many depending upon the odd or even number of time that you are multiplying. If you are multiplying even number of time, you will get positive. If you are multiplying odd number of times, you will get negative. Okay, now minus 1 multiply minus 1, you will get 1, isn't it? Because minus 1 to the power 2 to power 2 is even number, therefore we are getting 1. If minus 1 to power 3 is odd number, that's you will get minus 1. Okay, here minus 1 power 8 is a even number, therefore you will get 1. Multiply with 7 to 9, which is 7 to 9 itself. Okay, now this is the ninth term of the given sequence is 729. The next number is on number 6. Find the first 5 term of the sequence and write their corresponding series by number 1, given to be first term is 1 and the nth term is an minus 1 plus 2, where n is greater than equal to 2. Okay, now given here the first this sequence, the nth term of the sequence is given by an is called an minus 1 plus 2. Okay, the first term being 1, therefore we'll start putting n by n equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay, now putting n equal to 3, 4, 5 we have, because they need 5 terms. 5 terms mean considering with the first term, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will get altogether 5 terms. Okay, putting n equal to 3, 4, 5 we have. Putting by n equal 2, you will get a2 equal a2 minus 1 plus 2, a2 minus 1, which is a1 plus 2. Now a1, what is a1? A1 is only given, a1 is 1. Instead of a1 we are writing 1 plus 2, which is 3. Okay, now the next, putting n equal with the next number 3, a3 will be a3 minus 1 plus 2. a3 minus 1 is a2 plus 2. Now what is a2? a2 we have just calculated, it is 3. Therefore instead of a2 we will put by this 3 plus 2 will give us 5. Okay, now we need to find the previous term to get to the next term. You cannot find directly the fourth term, the fifth term like that, but we need to find the previous one so that to get for the next term. Now when we find out a2, then for finding a3 we'll need this a2. Okay, we'll need this a2. We have just find out 3, therefore we'll, instead of a2 we are putting 3 and then plus 2, which is 5. Okay, now a4 A4 substituting n equal 4, we will a 4 minus 1 plus 2. 4 minus 1 is 3, a3 plus 2. Now what is the value of a3 that we have just find out? A3 it is 5. This means 5 plus 2, which is 7. And a5, 5 minus 1 plus 2, 5 minus 1 is 4. Now the value of a4 we have just find out to be 7. 7 plus 2, it is 9. Hence the sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Or the first 5 terms of the sequence, the first 5 term sequence are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, number 2 from number 6 you try to do some work, and for the time being we'll stop it here and continue it again on the next class.